Hey, what is up, guys? Sorry for the sound. It's a little windy right now, so sorry. Can't do pretty much about it, but yeah. Here's a new video. I said I was going to keep the car stock, but yeah, that was the biggest lie ever. I already got some parts ordered, and well, one of them just came in, and this is what this video is about. So I'll show you what I have bought for the car. So this is the box. I'll show you guys what's in it. It's nothing fancy or anything, but yeah, it's something that I found cool online, and yeah, just oh shit, Jesus. Yeah, sorry guys, I'll try to do this two-handed. Be right back. So this is the part I ordered. It's a edgeless front grille with some LED lights on each side. These ones are like basically a replica of the RTR, official RTR grille and the lights. They don't look as sleek, I would say, but for the price and you know, the light that they give, I don't know, it's I mean, it doesn't look half bad, you know. It looks great in my opinion. So that'll be the first mod on the Mustang. So the grille comes with its own like plug connector on each side, one up there, one up there, and there's also a little harness, I would say, included with the kit, like that. And the only thing you have to do basically is splice into your factory wiring harness with these two cables, and depending on how you want them to power on or off, you know, you can't have them set on the fog lights or running lights, or I don't know, but you can pretty much, you know, put them wherever you want. So now the bumper is now off. I can go ahead and start unclipping the factory grille, and I've noticed one thing on the EcoBoost Mustang. On this side of the front end, in the front grille, there are like holes to let air inside the that's where the air box goes, and the grille I have right now doesn't have like any hole at all, either on that side or the other side. So I think I would have to figure out a way to maybe like you know, with a Dremel tool, make a little hole to let some air in for the car, like for the air intake. So yeah, I'll have to figure that out. Their grill is now on. The OEM one was a bit of a bitch to remove. Like the clips on the backside are a little hard to pull, but you know, I got my way around it. So the grill is nice and tight. You have the connectors here. I have to use the harness and splice into one of these cable laying around. So the grill is now wired and working. So these are the lights. They do look very good in my opinion. Looks so aggressive. But yeah, that's the first mod for the car. The next one will be something about suspension, and that'll be it for this summer. Don't quote me on that, but that'll be it, I think. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, even though it was really short. So leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I roll with niggas on parole and niggas that's promoting violence, huh?